How to change Gmail phone number in mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can change the Gmail phone number in mobile phone. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. Go ahead and open up your Gmail account, a Gmail application, and head over to your account at the top right corner. After that, you can go to Google account. So once you're here, on this section, you can swipe right and go to security. And once you're under security, you can scroll down, go to recovery phone. You can go ahead and locate the option called recovery phone. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, first of all, you need to verify yourself. Once you have verified yourself, if you have added a phone number right here, you'll be finding the phone number. And beside that phone number, you'll be finding a pen icon. So you can just tap on that pen icon in order to cancel out the previous number and write up a new number for yourself. And once that is done, your Gmail phone number will be changed in your mobile phone. So therefore, that is a very super easy you can follow up in order to change your Gmail phone number in your mobile as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.